Cuttlefish with green peas. Ingredients: 2 pounds, 900 grams, cuttlefish. 1 pound, 450 grams, green peas. 11/2 cup, 350 grams, tomatoes puree. Half white onion. 1 clove of garlic. Half glass white wine. 4 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. 1 tablespoon fresh parsley. 1 dash black pepper. To taste table salt. Directions: mince the onion, then crush the clove of garlic. Place a saucepan over the heat and warm the olive oil. Now, pour the onion and garlic into the pan and cook over medium heat until very soft and translucent, stirring occasionally. Meanwhile, shuck the green peas, or opt for frozen if not right season. Clean the cuttlefish and slice them into rings thick 1/2 inch. When the onion and garlic are very soft, raise the flame and add the cuttlefish. Stir fry 5 minutes, stirring continuously, then baste with white wine. Cook over high heat a couple of minutes more, then add the tomato puree. Now, lower the flame, the pan with a lid, and cook 20 minutes. Finally, add the green peas, cover with the lid and cook until peas are soft, but not mushy. The cuttlefish stew pairs perfectly with bread slices, but is amazing with pasta rice as well. Is possible conserve the stew into the fridge a couple of days, but it give its best just cooked.